Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Ford Focus and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Focus is equipped with heated mirrors and they are not working. This video should apply to 30th generation of Ford Focuses made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. Now this is a 2014 and there was a facelift in 2015, but I'm pretty sure the location of the fuse remained the same. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now the fuse to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is just next to the battery under this cover. Now to remove the cover there is a black tab. You want to push it up. On the back side of the cover you have a small fuse diagram, and this red piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check the fuse. And the heated mirrors fuse will be this small 7.5 amp fuse located right here. Now if this fuse proves to be good, next step I will do, you want to make sure that the switch is actually working. You want to test the switch and then you want to inspect the wiring towards the mirrors, and I will show you now where to check the wiring, because you want to check driver and passenger door jambs just by opening and closing the door. Quite often the wiring there will get damaged and that can cause a bunch of electrical issues such as power mirrors, heater mirrors and similar things not working. Okay, so you want to remove this remove the wires from this rubber sleeve on both front doors, and you want to inspect this wiring, because you see how you open and close the door, and you do that like 1,000 times. Slowly with time those wires will get damaged, and if there is a damaged wire there is a big possibility this is the cause of your issues. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.